Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey beautiful people, thank you for coming back. Today is another exciting day because I got my first Boxycharm subscription box, so I am excited to use it. Okay, getting back to the Boxycharm box. So this is my first ever Boxycharm subscription. I've heard so many good things and so many decent reviews about Boxycharm. I've always wanted to try it, but I couldn't afford it before. Now I played with my money and I'm able to afford this and still stay under budget. The good thing about Boxycharm is that they give you 5 full-size products of skincare, hair care, and makeup items. Try out whatever they have that month for you, whatever they send you. So that's really cool, and I have a code if you guys want to use it. I'll link it in my description box below. And let's get into this box and see what I got. So let's open the box. This is what the box looks like inside. And this is a little paper that has all the items in the box. And I'll read off what I got. Okay, so this is a Boxycharm Breaking the Ice. That's what this little pamphlet says. And let's see what I got. Okay, so the first item I got is the Too Faced Diamond Light Diamond Fire Highlighter. Wow, that is really amazing. This retails for $36. And let's open it. It's your time to shine. That's what it says inside. It's so cute. I do like Too Faced products. I do have a bunch of Too Faced stuff. So this is how it looks. And then it has this little button here. I don't know what the little button's for. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty the highlighter is. So this must be also a late review because I just got this box and I believe it's January's box, but that's okay. We're still gonna review it. So this is the Too Faced highlighter, the Diamond Light. So it's kind of iridescent with pink and gold tones. I'm going to swatch it for you. Okay, so this is the color here. Oh wow. Do another swatch. That's the color there. It's really pretty, very light. This is a one-of-a-kind highlighter infused with a real crushed diamond powder, light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on a planet of shimmer. So that's really pretty. Can't wait to use that. So the next item I got was Dr. Brandt's 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex right here. So this also retails for $55. So this is just to put under, so you can use this in the AM and the PM and you just put it all underneath your eyes. I will be using this because I do need this to help your girl's eyes out. Look at all this. It happens when you get younger with your age. It doesn't really have a smell. Actually, it has kind of like a little tiny bit of a citrus smell. It smells good. I will be using this in the night and I will be using this along with my skincare routine videos and we'll see how that works out. And again, this retails for $55. The next thing I got was the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Oh my gosh, that sounds so luxurious and so nice. It's kind of sealed right now. I wonder if I can. Oh, I can smell it through the bottle. It smells really good. And this is just to, so basically it's a face wash, I guess, made in Italy. It smells really good. Skin & Co. So basically what you do is you put it on your face, you let it settle in your face for a few minutes, then you take a lukewarm towel or lukewarm water, and then you wash your face off with it. I can't wait to use this. I will be using this in another upcoming skincare video. And this retails for $28. So the next item I got was Avant Skin Care 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Oh my goodness. And this retails for $107. Wow. So all you have to do is apply a thin layer of this on your face and then you just sleep with it on. It's an 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. So this is the item right here. This retails for $107. You bet I'm going to use this on my face. I need anything that's going to help all this. So I can't wait to wear this and try it out. This will also be part of my next skincare video. And the last item I got was by Grande Cosmetics Grandorama Intense Thickening Mascara. I'm not going to open it right now, but I'm just going to show you what it is. So I can't wait to try this out. It's a thickening mascara with castor oil. Castor oil is great for your lashes. It helps them grow. So you can even buy that separately and put that on your eyelashes, and helps you grow your eyebrows and your eyelashes, and it does work because I use it on mine. So everything in this box is supposed to be retail valued at $155 or more. So I will add it all up and put the total in the description box for you guys below. I'm very excited about this box to use it and see these products. I'm very excited and very happy about everything I got. I can't wait to start this whole Boxycharm little journey I'm gonna go on this year, because I think I'm gonna keep it for the entire year. If things start to get repetitive like Ipsy, I'm gonna have to probably say goodbye to it. But so far, box 1, we'll see how we do with it. And I'm very, very, very happy with everything I got. So thank you, Boxycharm, for sending me this, even though I paid for it, whatever. Maybe one day I'll get sponsored by you guys. That would be a dream of mine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am super excited to try everything in here. So if you birdies have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Ring my bell, and I will see all you beautiful people and all you birdies later. Bye everybody, good night.